Good afternoon. It is February the 15th, 2017. Time to wrap up today's trading and take a look at the Globex session and overnight. We had another good day of trading today. Most of our criteria and parameters were met. We'll start off with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. They're everywhere, folks. You just don't think they're in your life yet. Okay, we came in today. Our strategy is to buy the opening and disappear at least through lunch. Come back and take a look at it after lunch. Buy it and hold it into the close. And we had a 23.30.32 buy set up right there. Able to get long at 32.50, 32.75. If you took this trade right there, you were at 23.34. Market trades up to 43. We had a 44.46 sell. Market came back. That is a legitimate trade. This would be a legitimate trade. We just aren't interested in it. We're just interested in the long side of the market. So, two long trades for us. Positive, positive. Trump reiterated this morning that after meeting with the retail CEOs in the retail sector that the tax cuts would be huge, as Nicolas Cage would say. And looking at today's structure, higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. We're still moving up. Okay, when those of you that have been playing the call game that we recommended, 2300 calls, 2325s, 2350s, when we hit the 2350 level right now, roll from the 2350 call to the 2375 call. F1 says higher prices tomorrow. Couple distributions higher today. A double distribution. The first one, B through H, then I period split, and we're making new highs right now. So, assuming the market closes at 2350, sell failure to take out and hold, I'm not sure that we're going to close at 2350. 2350 second sell would be 54.56. We'll have to adjust these. On the buy side, 44.46 buy 1 and 40.42 buy 2. So we're trying to buy 40s to 45s. Looking at tomorrow's news, housing starts and permits. Starts 1.232, permits 1.233. The numbers have been the same. Build a house, get it going. Start it, pull a permit on another. Jobless claims 246. And Philly Fed 19.3. And natural gas inventories, we were off 152 BCF. I think that number will be lower tomorrow. The market's focus, starts and permits, jobless claims, and Philly Fed, all three. None of that news usually moves the market in a big way. Okay, Treasuries suffered. The news was against Treasuries this morning. They reacted accordingly. Did have another down day. Interest rates are going higher, perhaps in March. Sell bonds, sell notes. And that's what's happening. F1, find a place to sell it. F2. Definitely a B, definitely pointed lower. Why do we want to be short? Just look at the structure behind us. It's nothing but Bs. every time you do a split, it's a B. So 31 to 03, sell 1. 7 to 11, sell 2. On the buy side, 21.25, buy 1. Like to get short first. See if we can take the market lower. 13 to 17, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year. That's a great contract. I know it's hard to trade with crude, but don't forget it. Put a lot of money in the account. Quickly. 150 to 150.04 is number 1. 7 to 11, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. On the buy side, 16 to 20. Buy 9 to 13. 29 to 01 for buy 2. Gold had a good day. My guess is it'll probably be sold. Could make the case for inflation. Could make the case for the war in the Middle East escalated. But you have to remember that Saudi Arabia, the Gulf states, and other countries, Egypt, are reforming alliances with Israel because of Iran. And so that's kind of changed the dynamic just a little bit. Great deal in my estimation. So the traditional stuff that's set the Middle East ablaze probably does not play today. Lower low, high is equal. My guess is we're probably going to sell into strength. We'll have a double distribution, so we'll get mixed input. Definitely a P with a strong close, so we're going to make, I don't believe it, 34, 36, sell 1. It is resistance. We're going to be just like a local. Screw it. That's resistance. I'm short. 39 to 41, sell 2. Breakout came at 29. Single prints at 30. I think we can get back down to this high volume area. So 25, 27, buy 1. I'll put a question mark at 30. And then 20 to 22 for buy 2. Look for it to be up in the London session. Failure in the 35 to 40 area to set up a sell. Looking at crude oil, pretty quiet when we look at it. Not a whole lot going on, so very, very tight range. Fundamentals say it should be sold. It's not breaking, even when we have bad news. But we are finding sellers too, so definitely dealing with a B right now. We'll make 53 1/4. 53.50, sell 1. 75 to the buck, sell 2. 52.50, 52.75, buy 1. 52 even, 52 1/4, buy 2. I think it should be sold, but obviously they're not listening to me. But if I am producing the physical, lifting crude oil every day, I have no problems selling into rallies, locking in prices. I'm just pricing, that's all I'm doing. I'm not speculating. Just going to the board for better pricing. And so much of a lot of the large institutions that are in the physical commodity business, either as processors or producers, They price. They don't trade. They don't make market in the cash. And so the futures markets really aren't designed for them. They're designed for those that make market in the physical, or for the intermediaries that'll store it. They'll buy it or sell it at a certain price and store it for the eventual processor. And you have to understand that distinction. Don't bore me with details, Charles. Come on. Just fleshing it out. Trying to overwhelm you with too much knowledge, right? Okay, lower high, lower low in the euro. Find a place to sell it on the F1 screen. All over the map on the euro today got crushed by the early news and then came back a great deal. Maybe we have rejected prices above 106.15, so 615, 625, sell 1, 640 to 50, sell 2. Pick up this area right in here. On the buy side, we stopped at 105.91, so we'll make 75 to 85 maybe stops beneath that for buy 1, and then 105.50 for buy 2. And that's it for this trading day. We'll come back tomorrow and see if we can't shake that great ATM in the sky and make some more money tomorrow. Hope you all had a good day today. Looking for a better day tomorrow. I'll see you bright and early in the morning. I'm out of here.